Ever wonder how your favorite store always has what you need? Or what happens when you press Confirm Purchase? Your orders trigger a massively complex commerce machine that ensures timely, accurate delivery of goods. And Honeywell Intelligrated? We're at the heart of it all, helping the world's most important retailers, e-tailers, and manufacturers, as well as post and parcel providers, deliver goods at unimaginable speeds, accuracies, and scales. In manufacturing, our end-of-line automated systems efficiently prepare packaged goods for safe and timely shipments to points of sale. It's in distribution centers where you'll experience the full breadth of Honeywell Intelligrated's expertise. That product you wanted? It's one of thousands that move in carefully orchestrated patterns. Honeywell Intelligrated designs, builds, and delivers the material handling solutions behind it all. A single source that delivers fully integrated systems for every foreseeable circumstance, controlled by integrated machine controls and software that optimize throughput and efficiently direct labor resources, scalable to tomorrow's needs. Supported by technical service experts 24/7, the fastest speeds, the highest accuracies, on a scale the world's most important brands demand. It's automation that delivers, so you always get that product you want, when you want it, wherever you want it.